training program has evolved over the years. When I was there, we first did 3 months in Lal Bahadur Shastri Academy, that is we call foundational course. And then we came to Delhi. Delhi, there was no training institution for Indian Foreign Service officers, so we used to go to different places. We used to go to JNU for study of international relations. Then we used to go to Institute of Mass Communication for how to communicate and how to do, if you have to address a press conference or speak on TV, how do you do all that? So we used to go to different places to learn our job. But today we have an institute called Indian Foreign Service Institute, which is very close to JNU in Delhi, and which is fully equipped with all the techniques which we need to learn. And once the foundation course is over, the IFS professionals go to that institute, stay there for about a year, and then do all the courses. Then they are sent on district training. I was also sent on a district training for 3 months. I went to Anantapur in Andhra Pradesh, where I was appointed as assistant collector for 3 months. And that was the time when President was Sanjeeva Reddy. He used to come there, and that was also a good learning for me, how to handle the protocol and VVIP visit and things like that. And Ramakant Reddy was that time was my collector there in Anantapur. So that was another way of training. Then we are also sent on village visit that time, 1 week. So I actually went to Faizabad, Ayodhya called today. So that was my village visit for training. So all these happened, and then used to be Bharat Darshan, where you sent to some places in India where you see the development, you meet the people, you see how the problems are there and how you project all those things in your diplomatic career further down. So that is, I suppose, the fundamentally that remains the program today also, except that there is a proper Foreign Service Training Institute in Delhi, which was not the case when I was probationer.